And the race is on. Balik, balik. Fast to begin flying with you, Diamond Duchess. Moving up by the rail is Arlegui. Alongside is Apretiosa. Asikuda is racing 6-7 position. Best asset, Kay Maki. Alongside fast forward. Entry number 3 sailing away. Rushing up, fold your arms. Number 11 Magic Machine. Janelle's episode and Promise is running at the tail of the field. Diamond Duchess. Balik, balik is racing on the outside. Arlegui is watching in third. And out of our turn, balik, balik. Arlegui is on the outside. Diamond Duchess. Asikuda flying with you, Capricciosa. As they race the final corner. Balik, balik. This time by about 2 lengths. Arlegui on the outside. Moving up, Asikuda at the center. And nearing the finish line, 6-8, balik, balik. By about 3 lengths, Arlegui, Asikuda, Capricciosa. And finally, 6-8, balik, balik, Asikuda, Arlegui. Number 6, Capricciosa, Fold Your Arms Flying With You. And number 8, Janelle's episode.
So 6 to